Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a snowing day in London. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the snow from my window. Yeah guys, we haven't seen snow for a long time. Look at the cloud, it's all white and clear. It's snowing. Yeah, we are excited that it's snowing. Okay guys. Okay guys, I hope you all enjoyed the little snow that I showed you guys earlier on. Okay, so today we are going to be cooking. I just want to quickly show you guys my ingredients before we start. Oh, I forgot to bring the salt and the season cube, but that's all that is missing here. So okay, so I have my oven turkey. I cooked it, put in the oven, and I got the turkey cut right with the stock from the turkey. I got smoked mackerel. I got some locust beans, garlic, and this is ginger. That's garlic. I got frozen spinach, which I just cut it into pieces. I've drained the water off it. And then I got my okra in there. I'm just going to blanch it a little bit, not too much, okay? And then in here, I got my ogbono, because we are making ogbono and okra. So this is ogbono and red palm oil mixed together. Okay guys, so I'm just quickly going to blend my okra just roughly, not too smooth, together with the locust beans, okay guys? And I'll come back and show you guys how I prepare my ogbono and okra soup. Okay guys, so I'm going to start cooking now. My pot is there, so I'm going to be adding my okra to it, and I'm going to be rinsing it out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for it to start boiling a bit, and then I'm going to add my palm oil, red palm oil with ogbono. There's ogbono inside. Okay guys. Okay guys, so my okra is boiling now, so I just give it a quick stir. So now I'm going to add my red palm oil mixture with ogbono inside. Please guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video, and turn on the notification bell, and share this video as well. You are free to share it. It's free to share it as well. You are free to share it, and give it a big thumbs up if you like it, and leave a comment. Tell me how you cook your own ogbono and okra soup. Okay, so I forgot to show you guys earlier on. I'm going to be using 2 of this chicken naan. I got my salt, and I got grounded chili pepper. If you don't like pepper, please don't add it. So I'm going to be adding chili pepper to it now. Okay, just so you know, my camera is very close to my cooker, so everything appears really big. Okay guys, just because I want you guys to see what I'm cooking properly. So I'm just giving it a quick stir. This is just to really help the okra to really slime. If you don't like sliming okra and ogbono, please don't cook it this way. There's a different method of cooking okra without adding ogbono to it. Okay guys, but I like this one, so that's what I'm cooking. Okay guys, so I'm going to be adding my meat stock. I'm not adding the chucky yet, just adding the liquid. Okay guys, and then I'm going to give it a quick stir. Okay guys, so in the next clip I'm not going to be saying anything. I'm just going to be adding whatever is left that I need to add. Okay guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up please. Okay guys, so you see that I had a little bit of water, very little bit of water I added to this soup, and I've added every other thing to it. So what is left now is just the frozen spinach that I cut into pieces. So that's what I'm going to be adding. So I'm going to leave this to boil for probably just about 5 minutes or less. Let's just say 5 minutes, okay guys? And I'll come back and add the frozen spinach and then leave it for like a minute or two, and that's it. Okay guys, I'll come back in a minute. Okay guys, so just roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm going to add the frozen chopped spinach. Just a little I'm using, not using a lot. And then you stir. Okay guys, so our soup is almost ready. Then you can use this soup to eat fufu, eba, wheat and oat fufu, or plantain fufu, or you can eat I don't know what else can you eat with this. Probably can just lick it on its own or drink it, whichever. I don't know. Okay guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The next clip will be when it's cooked, so I'm going to leave it for like 2 minutes. Okay guys. Okay guys, so our soup is ready now. Turn it off. Okay, so that's how I make my okra and ogbono soup. Okay, with some grilled turkey. I didn't put it in the grill, I put it in the oven. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, like and comment. Thanks for watching guys. So catch you guys in my next video, which might be a sewing tutorial or a vlog. Okay guys, bye, love you all.